Hello everyone, thank you for joining us here today. My name is Benson. I'm actually here today to share with you about CareShield Life and its related supplements. Basically, three companies can actually provide CareShield Life supplements. Number one is Aviva, My Long-Term Care. Secondly, NTUC Income Care Secure. And thirdly, Great Eastern Great CareShield. Before I start, I'd actually like to show you a video by MOH to let you understand what is actually CareShield Life.
The new CareShield Life is a significant enhancement from the current Elder Shield scheme. When launched, it'll include all Singaporeans aged 30 to 40 in 2020, and those who turn 30 thereafter. Singaporeans aged above 40 will be encouraged to join. Higher payouts that increase over time and lasts for life. Longer premium payment duration. Premiums remain fully payable by Medisave. Government subsidies and support to improve affordability. CareShield Life, caring for you for life. Visit CareShield.
So after watching the video, many of you might be wondering, we are still young and healthy. Why is the government so worried at making us get disability coverage so young in life? So I'd actually like to share with you that 1 in 2 healthy Singaporeans aged 65 could become severely disabled in their lifetime and may need long-term care. This data is actually provided by MOH, and furthermore, it's estimated that around 3 in 10 could remain in severe disability for 10 years or more. Therefore, this is actually very relevant to us, and in the situation that this were to happen, it can be a huge burden on our family and eats up a lot into our saving. So the next slide is actually trying to show you that the top 3 causes of severe disability. Number 1 is actually stroke. So it is important that we actually get coverage during our 30s, so we will have less to worry about long-term care financing, whether we are affected by disability during our working years or when we are retired. CareShield Life and its related supplements is actually, as suggested by its name, for lifetime. So this slide actually shows you that the average that we need for long-term care is actually 2,300 a month. And guess how much is actually CareShield Life paying out? 600 a month when 3 ADL or more. Therefore, as you can see here, there's actually a huge differential, and therefore the need to actually get CareShield Life supplements to cover up the differential. Above actually shows you the activities of daily living that we are actually able to do on our own as a normal person. Washing, dressing, feeding, toileting, walking around, and transferring. Therefore, NTUC actually define moderate disability as the inability to perform 2 out of the above. And for severe disability-wise, it's the inability to perform 3 or more of the above. So why get protected today? A lot of my clients actually share with me that they want to get maybe in their 38, 39. My answer back to them is, for me, myself, I actually choose to get covered as soon as possible because I can actually pay up to 600 once a year using Medisave with no cash outlay. So imagine if you were to have 15K in your Medisave, at 4% interest is already 600. Therefore, the interest itself is more than enough to cover for the cost, and you're not actually eating into your Medisave. Secondly, you can secure protection before any pre-existing condition. So in case of, like, say, diabetes, we are not able to cover anymore. So we do not know what will happen to the later part of our life, so better lock in and get protected today. Thirdly, you can actually maximize the $600 from your Medisave withdrawal for higher additional coverage when you opt in earlier in your life, like when younger. So when you're older, you either have to pay the higher premium using cash, or you have to lower your coverage if you only want to use your Medisave. So the next most relevant question that most people might be wondering is, should I cover for 2 or 3 ADL or more? I cannot decide for you, but I can actually show you the claim statistics provided by Aviva. So here, the claim statistic for the field of 2 ADL is actually very low. So like looking at this chart, you can actually decide for yourself whether there is a need to cover for 2 ADL or you just want to be covering for 3 ADL or more, like CareShield Life. I've almost came to the end of my presentation. I actually like to share with you my key findings. First of all, CareShield Life is started on 1st October 2020, and it actually pays you 600 monthly disability benefit in case of 3 or more ADL. Disability can happen at any age, and the cost of care is actually 2,300. Therefore, there's actually a huge differential and the need to actually consider getting a CareShield Life supplement. You can actually pay for the supplement using 600 per annum using MediSave with no cash involved if you choose not to actually go above the 600. You should maximize your coverage today and secure protection. Aviva My Long-Term Care pay up to 99 can actually maximize more coverage. Consider NTUC Care Secure if you prefer limited pay and 2 ADL coverage. Escalation is not recommended if you only wish to pay using MediSave. Claims for 2 ADL are low according to statistics provided by Aviva, but that does not mean that it will not happen. So you have to decide for yourself whether you want to cover for 2 ADL. In order for us to serve you better, do let us know your preference. Scan the QR code at the end of the presentation to discuss more with us. Thank you very much for your time, and do like and share if this video actually helps you, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you. Have a good day.